Hello, everyone. Whoever is watching this video, welcome. Today we have one of our students, Mohammad Imran Hussein, and he is going to tell you about his experience. He joined our course last month, so he's going to tell about his experience, about what he liked about our classes. Did he like it? Did he hate it? Did he find our instructors to be good or bad? And basically, just give his experience on this matter. So yeah, Imran Hussain, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing great. Would you mind introducing yourself to everyone and just tell a bit about yourself, please?
Hi everyone. This is me Imran Hussain. I've completed my schooling from Wilshere Flower School and College. I did my college from Dhaka City College, and I'm doing my undergrad in pharmacy from East West University. And this year I'll be graduating. And after that, I'm planning to pursue my M.Pharm from abroad. So that's about me.
Yeah. So Imran, may I ask, how did you like our classes? Because you joined our course last month, and would you mind telling everyone how did you like our classes and how did you find our instructors? Do you like them? Did you hate them? And if you like them, like just tell some aspects about what you like.
I think first of all, I have to tell you that I like the instructors and the classes very much. And this is the very first online courses that I did with interest because, I have done many more online
Yeah.
classes, but those were like very much boring. But I think
Mhm.
this is the first online class that, the classes used to be very much interactive.
Yeah.
And since it's a speaking course, the instructors let you speak and you are allowed to make mistakes and then you are allowed to correct them. So that's the best part. And after a certain time, you get adapted and you don't hesitate in speaking. And yeah, that's it. And the instructors, yeah, definitely. The instructors keep motivating you. They never have a sort of discrimination mindset. And they always keep motivating you and correcting you and telling you what to do and what not to do actually. And yeah, that improves your speaking
Yeah.
skills.
Yeah, and I guess yeah, this is what we always try to do. No matter which level you're in your English, we always try to motivate you and like encourage you to speak, and that is what we always have been trying to do. And thankfully, we do have students who try their very best to come out of their comfort zone and speak. So yeah, that's pretty good. But other than
I
that,
was one of them.
yeah, like I remember you, like you were good, like but in the beginning you were very shy, and I was like, okay, like your skills were good, and still you were very shy, and I was like, oh, I need to bring him out. But yeah, talking about that, like, would you mind telling everyone what changes you saw in yourself after doing our classes, and like within this 1 month, like what type of changes did you see, and what were the most benefits that you have gotten out of this class, and maybe also when you compare your initial stage versus final stage, what do you see? Like, what are the changes you see?
A lot of good changes. I think when I started my speaking course, I used to hesitate a lot. It's not something I don't have ideas, but I'm always hesitating and doubting my abilities. So after doing that course, I think I can speak with confidence and I don't hesitate and uh, I'm able, like I mentioned you earlier, that I used to panic a lot.
Yeah.
So nowadays it doesn't happen actually. Whatever I speak with confidence. Doesn't matter, even if it doesn't make sense. But yeah, that's about it. And yeah, definitely, I have become much more interactive after doing this course. I remember there was a point, even few days back, I always used to hide from everyone, but now I don't have to hide. Like if I feel, I interact with people. So I think yeah, that's the benefits I had from this course.
That's amazing. I'm so glad that as you said, you slowly started to interact with more people, and you did stopped hiding, and that
Yeah.
is good. Yeah, and I'm glad that you saw that change in you. And talking about changes and talking about the benefits, do you think, as you have seen some changes in yourself after joining our classes, do you think students who are watching this video, who are thinking that they should join our courses, they should join our classes, but they're thinking that will they see a change or something? Do you think that like if they join our courses and if they try their best, if they try hard, if they attend all classes, do you think they will see a change in their skills?
Yeah, sure. Students watching, I think they should join this course. And I think particularly Bangla medium students, saying I'm targeting Bangla medium students because since I did my schooling and college from Bangla medium, so I think for a very long time it has been in my mind that like I won't be able to speak fluently. So I think this mindset has changed after doing your courses. And the second thing is we are always afraid of speaking because we are afraid of making mistakes.
True.
So this platform gives you to make mistakes and gives you a chance to correct them. So that's amazing. So you're able to correct them, you're able to understand them. The instructors are very much interactive, they're friendly, and they will help you in any way. And trust me, it's not something I'm promoting them, but that's what
Yeah.
I've yeah, that's what I've come across
Yeah.
from my
Hmm.
experiences since I was a shy. And I, in every class, I used to turn off my video. And this is the first time that I've turned on
Yeah.
my video.
So yeah, so everyone who doesn't know, this is the first time ever I'm seeing him
Yeah,
on camera. This is amazing. Like that you have come so far that now you're even comfortable in front of camera. And guess what, everyone? I had given him the option of choosing an audio interview versus a video
yeah,
interview. And he personally said that I would love to give a video interview. And that's how our students have become. They're becoming more confident. Even if you see other our other student testimonials, you'll see students who have come out and expressed their opinion about what aspects they like about the course and the changes they have seen in themselves after doing our classes. And it has been an amazing experience so far for me and for our other instructors who have been teaching students, amazing students like Imran Hussein Bhaiya and other students. So yeah, thank you so much, Bhaiya, for joining our class and joining our courses. And I hope, because you also joined our other classes for this month, I think October. So
yeah.
I hope you like it. And if you ever face any issues, do let us know. But other than that, thank you so much for giving us the time. And I guess just a special thank you for taking some time out of your day and basically giving this interview. But other than that, I guess this is pretty much it. Before I end it, do you have any last words that you'd like to say?
Whoever watching this video, please join these courses and you will understand the impacts and you will have good impacts and you will improve. And if you're like me, then just join it.
Yeah, trust you guys. Do join our courses and do join our classes. We try our very best to make it interactive and basically help you out as much as we can. But other than that, if you have any questions about our courses, if you have any questions regarding IELTS, or if you are interested in joining any of our classes, do message us in our classroom or comment down below, and basically we'll answer them for you. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in one of our classes.